Are you looking to start a blog in this year but unsure about the niche? You're at the right place. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the top 11 blogging niches for the year. From the ever-changing world of technology to the timeless allure of food and everything in between, these niches hold a world of potential just waiting to be tapped into. So, if you're ready to dive into the blogosphere, you won't want to miss this. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting niches. Kicking off the list, we have personal finance. As everyone's looking to save a penny or make a dollar, this niche is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Next, we have health and wellness. With a global shift towards healthier lifestyles, this niche is ripe for growth. Thirdly, we have food. Who doesn't love a good recipe or a culinary adventure? This niche is a feast for readers and bloggers alike. Those were just the first three, and there's still so much more to explore. Moving forward, we've got some more exciting niches for you. Let's dive right into our fourth niche, travel. This one's for the wanderlust souls, sharing their adventures and inspiring others to explore the world. Next, we have parenting, a niche that never goes out of style, providing tips and sharing experiences about raising children. Lastly, the tech niche. From the latest gadgets to software updates, this niche is a hub for tech enthusiasts. Isn't it amazing how varied and engaging these niches can be? Still with us? Here are three more fascinating niches. Lifestyle, captivating in its breadth and depth, allows for an exploration of a myriad of topics, from fashion to fitness. Education, a constantly evolving field, provides an opportunity to make a real impact by sharing valuable knowledge. Lastly, DIY crafts, a niche teeming with creative potential, allows for the showcasing of unique projects and ideas. And we're not done yet. There are still two more niches to uncover. And finally, to round off our list, we have two niches that are both relevant and timely. The first is eco-friendly living. With the world becoming more conscious of our environment, this niche is gaining momentum. It's all about sustainable practices, renewable energy, and conscious consumerism. There's a vast audience out there eager to learn how they can make a difference. The final niche is personal development. The quest for self-improvement is a timeless pursuit. This niche deals with topics like mental health, productivity, motivation, and self-awareness. As we navigate through the complexities of the modern world, the demand for content that inspires and guides personal growth is on the rise. So there you have it, the top 11 blogging niches of this year. Remember, the perfect niche for you is one that you're passionate about, whether it's helping others live a more eco-friendly life or inspiring them to be the best version of themselves. There's a niche for you. Here's to your blogging success. Thank you for watching. We really hope you found this video not only helpful but also inspiring. It's always exciting to explore the potential of different niches, and we're glad you joined us on this journey. We would love to hear your thoughts. Which niche resonated with you the most? Do you have a niche you're passionate about that didn't make our list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Moreover, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We cover a wide range of topics, and there's always something new and interesting to discover. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore exciting and engaging content to help you succeed in your blogging journey. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Happy blogging!